Are you trying to play games on your Xbox but you don't know how to make an Xbox account? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of kids feel stuck when they just want to play, but they can't get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your very own Xbox account step by step. So let's make it easy and fun. So first, you're going to go to the Xbox website using a phone, tablet, or computer. Type in xbox.com, then click on the sign in button at the top right and choose create one. Next, pick a fun email or make a new one with Outlook. So this email helps keep your Xbox account safe. Now you're gonna choose a password, so make sure that it's something that you could basically remember so that no one else can guess. And yeah, then you're gonna create your gamer tag. This is your fun name when you play games. So pick something cool like DragonRacer or SuperNinjaFox or Saved by Christ. That's the best one. Finally, add your birthday and choose your favorite color for your new profile. And now you're ready to play Minecraft, Roblox, Fortnite with your friends. And that's it. So if this helped you out, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.